Aloha, friends, we're back. Last time we got ourselves tangled up in wires and old school electric locks. Well, not anymore. We broke free. Now look, we're not anti-wire, but we're not in love with it either. Some setups still needed, like busy parking lots, business center turnstiles, or fortress-style entrances. And if that's you, we're ready. We've got quick bypass guides and real-life tested wiring diagrams just in case. But today's story, it's wireless. We're talking about building your own access control system that's smart, secure, and totally DIY friendly. No cards, no keypads, no silly PINs taped to the door. Just access for real people. Not whoever's holding the phone or key. And most importantly, wire-free, literally. Quick preference disclosure. We're not fans of surface-mounted electronic locks with PIN pads on the outside. Why broadcast your lock's guts to the street? All right, moving on. Battery-powered smart locks. Let's go. Some of them support Matter, the hot new IoT standard. Others, well, they speak in their own secret cloud language. We'll deal with both. Spoiler alert, we bought every single device you'll see here on Amazon. No sponsors, no promos, just real testing with the FRP Hospitality app. Matter, the overhyped hero. Yep, we said it. Matter's been overhyped, but it's real. As of August 2025, only 5 smart lock models in the US truly support it. Just 5. That's it. SwitchBot heads up. If you're using SwitchBot, you'll need a Matter Hub 2 or Hub 3. No way around it. But here's the good part. You don't need Apple, Google, Amazon, or SmartThings hubs at all. FRP Hospitality connects directly to SwitchBot via their hub. Smooth, clean, done. Yale and Kwikset, great brands, good hardware. But their Matter locks all have keypads right on the outside. And coming from retail security, we're just a little paranoid about screaming vacation rental to everyone who walks by. Let's build it step by step. Step 1, set up the lock. Grab the box, open it up, and follow the vendor's setup instructions. Connect the lock to its native app. Test it. Make sure it works before moving on. Step 2, enable Matter and pair with your ecosystem. In the Locks app, look for a Matter setup option, enable it, then pair the lock with your ecosystem of choice, Apple Home, Google Home, SmartThings, or SwitchBot. Look for the original Matter QR code. It might be printed on the box, the lock, or buried deep inside the app. Pro tip, don't lose it. Step 3, be ready to grab the new Matter code. Open your ecosystem's app. Find the lock you just added. Now locate the new Matter pairing code --. This is the one you'll use to connect it with the FRP Hospitality app. Sometimes it's right there. Sometimes it's not. But you'll find it. We believe in you. Step 4, install FRP Hospitality app. Download the FRP Hospitality app on an Android phone. We recommend a Pixel 7a or anything newer. Solid camera, great for Edge Face ID. Step 5, configure the app. Open the app and select ACK Mode. That's short for Access Control Kiosk. Then head into Settings at Video Source, Front Camera. Enable Manual Mode for this test run. A P-switch, set controller type to Matter. Now hit Add Device, scan that secondary Matter QR code, confirm, and tap Go. Step 6, test it. Walk up to the terminal. Your face shows up in the frame. Boom, the unlock button appears. No face, no button. But once detected, tap and boom. Lock opens. Let's try a few more. SwitchBot, Nuki, Yale, Kwikset. All of them work beautifully with FRP Hospitality. What if your lock doesn't speak Matter? No problem. Some locks still use their own vendor clouds. That's where Seam comes in. Cloud Translator. Seam is like Google Translate, but for smart lock clouds. It connects your vendor's API to the FRP Hospitality app. Here's how it works. 1. Choose Seam as your connection method. 2. Log in with your lock vendor's account. 3. Add the lock to your Seam dashboard. 4. Return to the FRP Hospitality app. 5. Select the lock. 6. Tap Go. Done. Works like a charm. Now try another. Yep, that one works too. Coming soon. The updated FRP Hospitality app, with full support for Matter and Seam, will be available on Google Play in the second half of September 2025. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to catch the next episode of Aloha Labs. Questions? Ideas? Just want to say hi? Drop us a line at aloha.labs@frp.ai or visit frp.ai for more tools, tips, and test results. Mahalo.